Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be revealing a special car. It's not that special yet, but it's going to be special in the future. So a friend of mine, Randall, a big Honda enthusiast, he recently purchased a car that he's planning to turn into a track toy, or track monster. And he's had a love for Honda for quite some time now. He's, like I said, owned quite a few of them, namely even the CRX that I own now, I bought from him. And yeah, one of his first cars that he owned was a EP3 Civic Vtec in green. And he's gone to FD Hondas, he's had EP3 Type R, he's had 2 CRXs, he's had Ballades, you name it, Honda guy. And this coming from someone who used to be a BM guy, and then he bought his first Honda and he was like, nah, Honda is my love. And yeah, so he has bought himself a Civic. There you go. Yeah, it's a 150i, and yeah, you will be doing a K-swap in it in the future, A24 to be exact. So yeah, it's going to need a lot of TLC. It was a daily driver car, but yeah, I'm excited to see where this build and journey goes with the build. It might not be the quickest build compared to what most people do, but it's definitely going to be a quality build with regards to the parts and, you know, workmanship that goes into it. Everything will be done to the T. So yeah, I'll do some shots to show what the car looks like, you know, around and inside and in its current state.
My life to a standard, 200 bottle is the answer. Some I not like, some are scared to. As much as all of it, I just had to. Up my game, off my style. Up the stage, going wild. Making steps by the mile. Hate on me, I just smile. Hate on me, I just smile. Gonna make them.
My phone ran out of space, so I had to start this again. But we are stripping the car as it's going to be a race car. There will be no need for interior bits. So yeah, we've gotten out the back seats and the rear panels. We've gotten out the passenger seat, and yeah, we'll be making progress. But yeah, possibly some of the items will be going up for sale. We will let you guys know when they do. Good day everybody, so it's a new day. We are currently on our way to dropping Randall's car off at the body shop. So with stripping the car, we found some rust on the car, and he's now decided to send it to the panel shop or body shop to have the rust removed, put in new panels, so that he can prep the car for his motor swap. Obviously, being that he's going to be spending quite some money and, you know, doing a proper high performance build on the car, you need the body to be quite strong and rigid, and this, he needs to remove the rust, and yeah, he needs to make sure that the body is strong. Basically, he doesn't want to go past, you know, each lap and shed some weight every lap that he goes, because he's losing you know, weight as the rust falls out of the car. And yeah, so take you on this journey, and quite excited to see where this project goes. This is really going to be a special car, and I hope, you know, the end result of this car will be great, because I think there will be a great story behind this car. while I'm at it, I figured I might as well give some insight into, you know, some of the ideas for the car. So it's definitely going to be a wide body kit Civic. Not going to say what kit yet. It's K24. It's going to have hopefully in the future some carbon bucket seats. It's going to be a track build rather than a drag build, and yeah, it's going to have most possibly a full roll cage in it. And yeah, I'm just rambling about now here, but we're passing some time while we wait for the body shop owner to step out. We've got Randall here in the back. He doesn't want to be on the camera, but he's the master man behind this whole project. So he's got a vision, so we're excited to see his vision at the end of the day. Fast forward, and hi everybody again. So plans have changed. Randall is no longer doing an EK build. Instead, today we went to pick up his new project car. The EK, as I said, needed some TLC, too much for him to consider it to be a race car. Instead, so he's gone and bought himself a FD Civic. He used to have one years ago with a Mugen kit on the works. He really liked it, and he decided he's going to do the K24 swap in the FD. And yeah, I forgot to film the part where he took collection of the car, but yeah, so I'm currently driving behind it, and yeah, quite excited to see this build. I was excited to see the EK build as well. Unfortunately, that plan's obviously changed. So let's hope for some, you know, big things for the FD build. I think it's going to be an amazing track car. So finally stopped. I'm gonna show you guys around the FD. Let's hope this actually becomes the project car this time. Basically the first videos about the EK is basically pointless now, but I mean that would have been a great project car, like I said before. Just needed too much work. So yeah, we'll just take you guys around the FD and see what it's like. We are about to load up now the car with the EK parts, because obviously, like I said, we thought that would be the project car, so we went up and went ahead and stripped the EK. So we've got a whole lot of parts here, so now we need to pack them in the FD, yes, I almost called this a FN2, into the FD. And yeah, so the next owner of the EK, after the EK is fixed, will have to just reassemble the car. Like Legos, basically like Legos. So we covered the back seats in black bags so that they don't damage, because the seats are actually very, for a car of its age, the seats are immaculate. I didn't expect it to be this clean. So yeah, obviously the front driver's seat, even though it's also still immaculate, will eventually come out and be a bucket seat, but all of that in the near future. So yeah.